Welcome futuristic developers to your favorite channel, Ivan Mesa. Today I'll be building another coffee website using HTML and CSS skill. All that you need. You'll be building this with this wonderful animation that you can see that on it's like it's going up and down along the y-axis with the translate y properties. Then also on the images you can see on hover. So this I'll be doing this all using HTML CSS. So without wasting your time, let's get on to the library. But remember to subscribe and press on the notification button to continue to enjoy this stuff. Thank you very much. I'll first of all create a header with commenting header, which I shall call class name header. Then I'm going to create a div which I shall for the menu fast bars. I'll call it fast bars using font awesome icons in ID menu button. Then after that I'm going to create a hyperlink which I shall call class logo. Then we shall have context coffee. Then add some font awesome icons for the markup. Yeah, that's how I do it. Then after saying that we create enough code enough bar, then hyperlinks menu for the home, first home, then add for the about hash about hyperlinks. Then that's about menu, and then we add book review. Then I'll add the hyperlink for a book. Then we add a hyperlink for button, which shall be take context book a table. That's all for the header. We go for the section we create. I'm going to start call home section. I'm creating a section which I shall call home, class name home, with ID home. Then I'll add a div class for row, div class content, new row. Then I'll have some S3 text in the hyperlinks. Then I'll paste. I need to paste content. Yes, that's done. Then I'll create another new div image. Then I'll have an image that I shall have without the link. Then after that one, we create another new div called image slider. Then we paste in some images. These are the 3 images at the bottom of the page. So that we're done that, we're gonna go to styling. This is how our solution looks like inside our browser. So I'm going to create with continue styling in the solution. Let me go into my code, CSS style with the default font, awesome, pop-ins. So I'm going to I'm going to add root variables. I'm going to declare main color, border radius on hover, border color, border hover. Then I'm going to set the basics for everything: font family, pop-ins, margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, outline none, border none, text decoration none. Then text transform, capitalize everything. Then let's have a transition of all inner side. You can see this is how our solution looks like after setting the border nuns to 0. Then let's have for HTML. I'm going to set the font size. I'm going to reduce it to 62.5%. Then overflow hidden, scroll padding top 7 rams, scroll behavior smooth. Yeah, they can see the changes. Then let me style this section. I'm going to set the padding to 2 rams and 9%. Yes, they can see 2 rams and 9%. Then let's style the heading. I'm going to set it to font size 9 rams, text transform uppercase, color transparency, WebKit on stroke with the variable of main color, letter spacing 0.2 rams, text align center, point events none, position relative. Then let's style the heading span, position absolute, top 50%, left 50%, then transform, translate minus 50%, 50% with 100% variable color. I want to set it to variable main color, then font size 3 rems. Then let's style the button, display, inline block, then let's set the padding 9 rems, 0.9 and 1.5 rems, border, variable border, then border radius with the variable of border radius, then color with the variable of main color, then border background none, cursor pointer, margin top 1 rem, then font size 1.7 rems. Let's have a look. Then you see the border has changed. Then let's have a button on hover effect. I'm going to set it to a border radius of variable border radius, then border on hover. Let's use a color of border hover. Let's have a look at the design. You can see the changes. After styling one, I'm now going to start the header section. Let's start by hiding the header. Let's set position fixed, top 0, left 0, right 0, display flexi, align item center, justify space between, then set index 1000, then background color of white, then box shadow, then let's set a padding of 2 rems and 9%. Let me look at the changes. They can see the changes. Let's start the header logo, variable main color, then font size 2.3 rems. They can see the logo has changed. Let me start the font awesome inside the variable logo. Padding left 5 rems. Then let's start the header the nav bar hyperlinks. Then let's start margin 0 and 1 rem. Font size 1.7 rems. Variable color main white. Then let's have a look at how it now looks like. Yes, beautiful. There you can see. Now I'm gonna start the button. Margin top 0. Then let's start the hash menu button. Font size 3 rems, color main color, cursor pointer, then display none. They can see we've set it, we have removed the menu button by default. Let me start the home section. Then I'm going to set the home to minimum height of 100%. Padding top 12%, 12 rems. Background image, let's change it to no and set it to no repeat. Then let's have a background position to center, then background cover. Let's have a look at. They can see there is a new background image there. Now I'm going to start the div row. Let me give it display flexi, align item center, flexi rep, gain gap 1.5 rems. So there you can see it's now display flexi. Now I'm going to start the div content. I'm going to set it to flexi 142 rems. You can see it has been split into 1 and 42 rems. We're now going to target the div class image, and for the image I'm going to set the flexi to 1 rem, 42 rems, padding top 10 rems, then a text align center. Yes, you can see the changes. Then let's style the inner image tags. I'm going to set the height to 35 frames, then animation floats 4 seconds linear infinity. Let's look at our this. We have reduced the image to 42 frames. Yes. Then let's use keyframes with the float that we have declared above here. Let's set the 0 and 100% transform along the y-axis, translate y 0 rams. Then at halfway 50%, we're going to translate along the y-axis to -7 rams. Oh, there you can see the image is now moving. There you can see, wow, after with the use of keyframes. Let me target the S3 tags. I'm going to set the font size 6,5 rem, then color to main color, then transform text to uppercase. You see the text is improved to uppercase. Then let's start the home slider. Text align center, padding 3 and 0 rems. These images have been altered inside the image slider. I want to target the image text inside the slider. Then I want to reduce the height to 9 rems, margin 0 and 0,25 cursor pointer, margin top 5 rems. There you can see we've reduced the size to 9 rems. The images have been altered. Then I'm going to start on hover. I want to translate along the y-axis by -2 rems. Let me come and see. There you can see on hover we translate along the y-axis to -2 rems. So that does it for our challenge devs. I hope you enjoyed the solution. Thank you very much.